Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. 81% voting was recorded for municipal poll, almost 9% more this time. Fate of 684 candidates sealed in ballot boxes. Poll results on October 27th. Digambar's office stoned. Scuffle between Damu and Vijay's workers. Person found campaigning with photo ballot papers in Vasco. Police on duty without food. It's all at polling stations. Herd of wild boars damaging crop in Penne fields. No remedy from Forest Department. No compensation from government. Farmers facing difficult times. Five persons injured in an accident at Padi Kepe. Car rams into container. 3 persons seriously injured. 2 suffer minor injuries. Admitted to GMC. Car smashed. And Mumbai City FC move up in ISL 2 with convincing victory over FC Goa. Now the news in detail. Voting for 159 wards of 11 municipalities recorded 81% voting on Sunday. 2010 municipal poll had recorded 72.67% voting. This time it's almost 9% more. Voters have sealed the fate of 684 candidates. The polling started at snail's pace in the initial morning hours due to ballot papers, but later picked up in momentum. At few places, barring minor scuffles, by and large the voting was peaceful. The fate of 684 candidates has been sealed in the ballot boxes. The poll results will be out on Tuesday, 27th October.
The polling for the 11 municipal councils started morning at 8 a.m. and polling was conducted smoothly. Till now, this office has not received any complaints. The voters turnout is, as per the reports, Mapsa 75.29, Bicholim 85.42, Pernim 87.88, Walpai 86.27. That means North Goa we got 79.79% turnout as per the reports. When you compare with the previous municipal elections 2010, it was 70.41, shows an increase of 9.3%. Mormugao report, as per the report, the total turnout is 68.76% in the current municipal elections, as against 54.54 during 2010. If you see, by and large, all the municipalities, there is an increase in the voters' turnout. For the counting, total, there are 106 tables, and counting personals will be around 360 personals.
Fate of 684 candidates has been sealed in the ballot box. Results will be out on 27th October. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Municipal poll has been crucial for the politicos as BJP and independent MLAs openly contested with their respective panels to test the waters in this semi-final before the 2017 Assembly poll. Congress has not backed any panel openly and directly. Tuesday will tell who finally makes it. Here are some of the reactions of MLAs, candidates and party workers.
स्लो आहा काम प्रोसेस स्लो पर्यंत सगळे शांततेन आसा फाटली काळां वाद जाताले थंडी जाताले लोक आपूण जावन उत्स्फूर्त भायर सरता हे दिसता हांवें पळयलें.
अर्थातच बीजेपी पुरस्कृत मडगांव डेव्हलपमेंट फ्रंट लोकांनी विचार केल्लो आसा.
म्हाका खात्री आहा, आय एम कॉन्फिडंट दॅट द पीपल ऑफ फातोर्डा want to take further forward.
Response that we have got during the campaigning. Basically, it is on account of the work that I have been doing for.
पूर्ण मडगांवान जे 11 वॉर्ड आसात, ह्या मडगांवांतल्या 11 वॉर्डां भितर कमीत कमी 8 वॉर्डां तरी आमी जिखपाक शकतले.
एवढं हाडलें म्हणटा आमचें बरेपण करपाचें, आमच्या वाड्याक जावं आमच्या वॉर्डान मातशें बरेपण हाडपाचें.
हम उसके लिए दुआ करते हैं, समाज का काम करे, रास्ते का काम करे, सब कुछ अच्छा करे.
खूप योजना तयार केल्या आहेत, त्या योजना 100% पुढे करतो.
There are a lot of unfinished work in the ward, like beautification of the place and few roads. In fact, maybe little drains.
आणि हांगा भरघोस मतींग जालेलें, म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा की हांव भरघोस मतांनी निवडटलो म्हणून.
ओवरऑल वोटिंग बरें चल्लां, 50% अबाव जायत येयलां आनी अशें पुलिसांनी बी सगळें बरें बंदोबस्त बी करून सगळें बरें करून अशें कांय डिस्टर्बन्स बी नासतना सगळें बरें चल्लां.
आणि शक्यता इतली आहा की भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे हांगा म्युनिसिपालिटी जावपाचे भरपूर चान्स आहा. ज्यो आमी स्किमी केल्या हेजे हेतूर माध्यमांसून आमकां इतलो यश मेळपाचें आहा की परवा जेजो निकाल लागतलो. निश्चित बदल जातलो. कारण डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्लो थोडो, पूण तेजे मेंटेनन्स जाल्लें ना.
म्हणजे बटनाचेर इलेक्ट्रीक हे ना म्हणून मातशें स्लो चलता, तरी पूण बरें आसा, लोक रावता.
खबर आसा की लोकां भितर वावरपी लोक जाय.
म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 85% तरी लोक ह्या वॉर्डार आमच्या जाले ह्या वाटेन मारतले.
इट विल बी डेफिनेटली सेमीफायनल. कित्याक आतां 1 वर्स 1.5 वर्सान इलेक्शनां आसा. कोण खरे बाबा पक्षा खातीर काम करता हें सगळें सारकें कळून दिसतलें ह्या इलेक्शनांक कळटलें.
रिस्पॉन्स बरें आहा, सगळे लोक येता, उमेदीन आहा सगळे, आनी चिंतता की कितें तरी डिजिटलीन घडूंक जाय,
कितें तरी बदल जावंक जाय. तत्तर मनीस उपेग ना, कित्याक तर तत्तर रावल्या कारणान तें कामूय सारकें जायना.
Municipal polls also witnessed some tensed moments. Margao MLA Digambar Kamat's office was stormed by masked persons on Sunday. In Pajifon, there was a scuffle between Damu Naik and Vijay Sardesai's workers. In Marmugao, a person was found campaigning with photocopies of ballot papers in houses. Besides this, 6 persons were detained. Meanwhile, police personnel on duty for municipal poll had a day without food.
Tensed moments were witnessed at few places on the poll day. Digambar Kamat's office was stormed in Margao. Digambar Kamat has demanded police probe.
When I was busy taking round of the municipal area, I got a news at about 3:15 that my office has been stormed by some miscreants. 2 persons driving a white Activa going in a fast speed without number plate at the back. Then I spoke to the PI Margao town and I informed him, and I also suggested to him to immediately make a Panchanama of the same. This is the first time in my entire political tenure that my office has been stormed by some people. It is for the police to investigate speedily and find out the true culprit.
In Pajifon, there was scuffle between Damu Naik and Vijay Sardesai's workers. Police had to intervene to diffuse the tension.
फर्स्ट टाइम इलेक्शन बिहार टाइप जाता इलेक्शन.
ह्या वेळाचेर हांगा काही प्रमाणान गुंडागिरी एक प्रकारचो नवो दहशतवाद हांगा तयार केला. ह्या सगळ्याचेर आमचेय लोक जे आसा ते लोकूय मातशे फ्युरियस जाल्ले आसा. लोकांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कितें चल्लां तें. राजकारणान पळय न्ही तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जाल्लो आसा आनी पयशाचो वापर करता आनी तोच करूंक शकता.
वोटिंग प्रोसेस बरो जाल्लो आहा, पूण सरकारान अशें चिंतलां की सरकार गोंयचो सरकार कजिनोवाले चलयता जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटी मटक्यावाल्यांनी कित्याक चलोवची न्ही काय. तर पयशे वाटिल्ले कोण मेळ्ळे जाल्यार लोक कायदो आपल्या हातांनी घेतले.
In Mormugao, a person was found campaigning house to house with Xerox copy of ballot paper. Opposition councillors handed him to the police. Later in the evening, he was released. It is known that he is a contract worker of Mormugao municipality. Besides this, 6 persons were detained. They were later released.
तू पहिले सांग तुका कोणी दिला तू नाव सांग तुवें कोणी सांगला
की सिंबल तुमचे नाव दिता जाल्यार फक्त म्युनिसिपालिटी नाव आणि हे बरें म्हणून हे सुद्धा दिवपा सिंबल अटॅच करून दिवू नका म्हणून सांगलेले तरी हे सिंबल अटॅच करून दिता
तेजी एक्शन जावपाक जाय and that
action and amka
candidate has to be disqualified. Candidate has to be disqualified.
Candidate has to be disqualified.
Executive magistrate has already intervened the matters and they will take necessary action in them.
Meanwhile, it was a merciful situation of police staff deputed on the election duty. They had a day on duty without food. Police were not provided with food while on duty. Police can't leave the polling booth unguarded during a lunch time. This was the scene at almost every polling station across the state. However, none of the police staff was ready to speak on camera. Bureau Report, Prudent.
In an accident, 5 persons got injured at Pari, Kepe on Sunday evening. The accident occurred between a car and a container. The accident occurred on the highway. 3 persons are seriously injured and 2 have suffered minor injuries. All the injured have been shifted to GMC in Bambolim. The I-20 car has been completely damaged in the crash. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.